Watch as we forge a stunning Damascus knife from copper strings. First, we carefully gather multiple strands of copper wire, twisting them together to create a base that will form the blade's intricate pattern. As the copper heats up in the forge, it begins to take shape under the hammer's rhythmic strikes. With each pass, we fold the copper, stacking and welding the layers, building the Damascus effect. After several rounds of folding, the copper transforms into a solid block with mesmerizing patterns. Then we shape the blade, grind it sharp, and finally reveal the beautiful, shining Damascus pattern that tells the story of our craftsmanship. A stunning copper Damascus knife is ready for work.